Hey now,
Yo,
hey, what you think is a good time to not let people in no more?
uh, yo, 5 minutes.
All right. What you think, Mike? What you think, Mike?
Man, 8:55, bro.
They should be here for 8:55.
They should be here for 8:55.
On
You late if you're on time.
I like that. 8:55. So that's what we'll do. So our new starting time. I got it, Mike. We're gonna fix this. Our new starting time is 8:55, and we're gonna close the doors at 9.
Close the
That's
doors.
that's the 5 minutes right
Close the
now.
doors.
Close ushers. Close the door.
Close the doors. Bro, you got a lot of
Dog, what Google at right now?
um let's pull it up.
Let's see, charts, huh? Oh,
You doing it? You got it?
my shit loading up, but
All right, cool. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
you let me know. 'Cause I know you said you might be having some uh
Co-host?
monetized customers coming in here. So,
Oh no, no. Why? They show up but they don't.
well, no, I'm saying they be like, who's this guy?
Who's this talking?
Who's that dude? You don't know none of our mixtapes. You ain't hear nothing. You really don't know me, huh?
Mhm, mhm. But no, that popped up in my memories, bro. That was from 4 years ago, dog.
I seen that.
Not from 4 years ago. So, nigga been at this for a long time. Since what, 2020, 2019, 2020, 2019?
Hmm.
About to,
How long you been trading for, Mike?
um, my son's 6. I started trading before he was born. So probably about 7 years, 7, 8 years.
Yes, we saved the nail diamond.
My first couple of years, I was gambling.
Ah,
I was gambling, boy. I didn't even know how to read a chart. Winston to tell you, I told that boy, I said, I ain't know how to read a chart, dog. When niggas, well, how you was trading? I don't know, bro.
I'm about to say how you were trading.
I don't know, dog.
man
I
just
don't
told you
know.
he was gambling. He wasn't trading, bro.
The beautiful part about it was COVID had hit, and the plays that I was winning on, I was winning, like winning, because market was running. You know what I'm saying? Google used to have $250 days, bro. Boom, boom, boom.
338. They just a 20 to 1. That brought them down. When I was 2019?
What was that?
That was
When you
2022.
took your boy course?
Homie. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was, I mean, before COVID, I was just buying dividend stocks. And then that's when they had that young EYL out here, urban. They were putting you on game. Then Trapper came. in what 2019 that were really I really started doing dividend stocks. And then 2020 came, the boy Ian came on there, and it was up. I got in the futures. That was that. Lost a shitload of money. And
Well, my first year of trading, I probably lost like 15 bands.
yeah,
Yeah, about 15, 20 bands, something like that. That's because I was gambling.
yeah,
Then
that was
I
different.
recouped most of that, like during COVID and stuff. I recouped most of that, but when I really actually started learning how to trade, I was like, oh. So when that light bulb go off, you be like, oh, all right, I was tripping.
Facts.
You
That's
know,
where I'm at now. That's exactly where I'm at now. Like, man,
you
The
know
it
light
what's
bulb
right.
went
funny?
off.
This the funny part.
It
What's
up.
really gonna let you know
It
you was tripping is when you see somebody else do something that you used to do. You gonna be like, dog,
Yeah, I just
exactly.
let him go. I
what
Man,
don't
the
tell him
man,
nothing.
what
that's
I
was
don't say
I thinking?
nothing, bro. I be like, go for your, do your thing, bro. Do
do
your
your
thing.
thing. That's all I tell them now, man. Do your thing.
It's like
Because
me and Nell got a partner who be sending us stuff talking about do this auto trade or work. I'm like, no, bro, it ain't no
Is that
shortcut to
EJ?
this. Huh?
That's EJ who be sending y'all
No,
the
no,
stuff?
one of our other partners. He'll
Oh,
send
all
us
right.
something like, hey, bro, do this auto trader thing work? I'm like, no, bro, ain't no shortcut with it. You got to put in the work. You got to get in the game, start losing. Then you're going to have a realization on what to do.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I don't tell people nothing no more because they not gonna understand till they see it. Like, yeah, I don't tell people nothing no more.
I
Yeah,
Bro,
you
admire
that's
got to
that.
know
why.
what it feel like to lose
To look,
USD currency.
Uh-huh.
That's what I be telling people. I be like, look,
Step right up.
I be like, look, especially on the one-on-ones, be like, look, bro, you you gonna be all right. You gonna be all right, man. Niggas die every day, B. You'll
See,
be all
you
right.
promote paper trading to them, or you tell them they need to just at least get in with one contract, you know.
No way. We not even talking about trade, nigga. We trying to understand the chart.
Oh, all right.
Then once we understand the chart and the setup that I'm trying to teach them, then we go to paper trade. We're not going. I can't send you out there like that.
I
Now, if
mean,
you do it on your own, that's on you. But Mike ain't gonna send you out there like that. But that's trading, bro. Trading is different, dog. Some
I'm
people say learning how to trade and losing is better than therapy.
mm,
facts because I'm so messed up. I skipped over the paper trade. I need to lose. I had to lose my own money to see like, oh no, oh
Oh, let
no,
me slow down.
let me chill. Like, this ain't.
see,
Let
dog.
me-
Oh, Mike, I think me and you ended up doing the same thing. Dog, my first futures trade was three fucking contracts. My God.
on the
My
ES though,
my God.
by by golly, what
My
happened?
God. I learned quick. I said, wait a
Is it-
minute.
What happened to that boy?
What is this? About three bands in a minute, dog. I was like, nigga, what is you
Hold up
doing?
now. Hold up.
They
Wait a
gonna give
minute.
it back? You got a restart
No.
button? No. This is mine. So, yep, not doing that anymore. And that was after I had then took some sim trades. I thought I knew what I was doing. I went live. Three contracts. Let's do it. Ah, come
I
here.
think my first future trade, I made like $187. I was like, oh, okay.
Simple.
I can do this every day.
Simple, simple.
Yeah, all right. That was before. See, now that I know what I know now, as opposed to back then, I'm like, bro, slow down, dog. Don't rush it, bro. Just chill. It's gonna come to you. But I was trying to rush it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to leave the post office. I'm trying to boop the whoop. Bro, I'm gonna keep it 100. I ain't really start making. I left the post office October 2023. Boy, I ain't get no payout or really start making no money until like the following October.
This shit the following year.
Man. But hey, I just bet on myself though. I just kept saying, bro, you did this for a reason. Just lock in, watch the videos, study, no matter what obstacles you got on your way. Just keep doing what you need to do. And before you know it, niggas, started making money. Boom, 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 boom. Started understanding the market a little bit better. Started taking less trades. I'm like, all right, cool, bet. This how I go. I see it now. I understand it now.
I
And ever
understand.
since then, I just been rocking like that. But it's different. Bro, I'm gonna tell you though, it's different from getting paid every 2 weeks. Knowing you're gonna get paid every 2 weeks but then relying solely on your skill set to trade. So I had a little money, you know, tucked away to pay to keep everything flowing and going. But boy, so I getting tight. I'm talking about skinny jeans. Ooh,
See leggings.
started
I
getting
had
tight,
leggings on
boy.
6 months.
But yep, that's how I went down, bro. But everybody's journey different. My journey might be different from your journey. You know what I'm saying? At this point, if anybody was to be like, you know what, Mike, I'm leaving my job. You more skilled now than I was when I left my job. So you'll have a better opportunity to make, you know what I'm saying? Because I wasn't as skilled as I am now in the market to understand it the way I do now. Thank God for that. But back, I just was like, nah, I'm jumping off this mountain and I'm just trust my wings.
Like
And the
that,
wings.
I tell you, even with that, bro, that's
Mhm.
still that's still almost like regular season. Like I feel like everybody who got a job in trading, we're in a regular season right now. You heard me?
Hmm.
You get up off of your job, this is like the championship, bro. The pressure of because I
You in the
did it with
playoffs.
just yeah, I did it with just fucking the have my own electrical business. It's like, dog, if these fucking people don't come through with this job that I didn't bid on, like, nigga, you ain't got no bread coming in. So you
Yeah.
go bid on all these jobs and nigga be like, yeah, I'm gonna get it done. You're like, what? I'm gonna keep on calling you, or like, how this we gonna
How does this
cause the
work?
deposit? You know what I'm saying? I was doing shit with no
Yeah.
deposit. I'm buying the material and shit, and I'm like,
Yeah.
oh yeah, well nobody gonna be at the house today, so
Oh, yeah.
can you come next week? I'm like, nigga,
No,
I spent a
it's
rack
my money and
on
I want it now.
yeah, I spent a rack on your material. So then I started doing like, all right, I need that material money up front, shit like that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Those without that consistent 40, you're in the playoffs for sure, bro.
Mhm.
This is playoff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, though.
it's a
Yeah,
different.
bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I used to cut grass. I had a lawn care business, nigga. I had like 50 yards. I was cutting by myself. I ain't had no help.
Do you have you could say 50 yards, but you say you had them on like a bi-weekly thing, like a weekly
No, I'm gonna tell you how.
versus
I'm gonna tell you how I had broke it down. I had 30 yards I did every week.
mhm.
Then I had the other 20 yards I do bi-weekly. But the way I used to run that business, I'm like, look, pay me up front each month. Pay me up front each month. Because you'll have days where it rain, you have days where, you might not be able to get to your equipment malfunction, whatever, but you got your money up front, but you still owe them a cut. So with that, like how I used to operate like that was I'm paid already. But I'm just doing I'm giving you your service because you paid for it. So just in case something happened, rain, a hurricane, whatever, I'm already got my money for this month.
Mhm.
You see what I'm saying? So but doing that taught me about trading and how to run a business trading wise. Like I think everything works together, bro. Everything you go through in life. I know we ain't talking about the charts, bro, but we about to. But everything you go through in life, it leads you to something else. Like it leads you to something like, because I didn't want to cut grass and all that, but I did it. And, it taught me how to do other things. how to run a business. So now I treat my trading like a business. Like this is a business. I want to make a certain amount of money each quarter of the year. Every 3 months, I want to make this amount of money. All right. So, well, what's the plan? How you gonna do that? How you gonna attack that? Okay, this is how I'm gonna do it. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, how many yards?
Execute it.
How many yards I need?
That's what I'm saying. How many trades I need? How many losses can I take? How much money can I lose and still achieve this? And then once you get that, you just follow the script. Like you just follow the script. And then by the end of those 3 months, you'll be like, all right, cool, bet. I wanted to make 30,000, but I made 27,000. That's not bad. On to the next. And wash, rinse, repeat, dog. That's it. You making 30 bands every 3 months, you're doing something right.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, we born these dudes. Let's get to it, man.
I know, dog. Niggas don't want to hear about that side of the trade.
That
Niggas
shit.
just want the X's and O's.
What's the
Shit.
next trade? That what Nell said. What's the next trade? What's the next?
Man, I need. Let me see something.
Let me go on TikTok.
Let me go to
Everybody in there?
Yeah, man. What y'all talking about?
Hold on, everybody in there? Okay,
everybody that's gonna be in here.
original. Hey, look, y'all, we starting at 8:55 next week, fella. And we're closing the doors at 9. No more deductions now. We fixing it.
All right, bro. Meta failed us. So they had earnings. The earnings were good. Meta took off the opposite direction. This trade, I will avoid this trade. If I was still in it, I'll just get out. Even if I got a little change, a little money left on that contract, I'll just take my money, take my little $3, $4, take my change, get out the way. Because this, yeah, I don't like this. This is a monthly candle too. See how this monthly candle closed deep inside of this gap? It's probably gonna continue to the upside. Weekly, from a weekly perspective, this is your earnings. I don't like it. I don't like it. First, what you said?
Oh no, I was saying that monthly. That was that third candle that finally.
Oh yeah.
the gap.
Okay, for sure.
I like the retracement, Mike. So when I do when I'm trading the gap,
Mm-hmm.
Vic doesn't invert it and close back inside it. I think
You
it
think
could
so?
get back down to 660 before it runs.
It probably could do that,
Yeah,
but my price target being down here and down here, it ain't gonna happen. See what I'm saying?
yeah.
It just ain't gonna happen.
That had to close
So
back outside.
yeah, it had to
I don't know
really
what
just
that's.
get down.
Yeah, if you in a contract, I don't know if 660 worth waiting for because you still got the theta that could,
Well,
even if it comes down there, you probably still lose money. Versus,
anybody still in this trade? Because we could get off of this if not.
Nah, I took my $40 and got the fuck.
$40.
Yeah, bro. Shit, it work on shit. Let me shut up.
Nigga say work on chef. I'm all right. Right in front of you all, huh, my boy? Uh-huh. It's crazy, dog. It's a crazy world we live in, dog.
crazy talk, man.
Crazy, crazy. So nobody else in Meta? Akeem, you still in Meta?
Yeah, but them contracts almost worthless. I'm gonna just let them expire worthless.
You gonna let them die?
Yeah.
Let them die. All right. What's next? Let's go to
Microsoft.
Palantir right quick. Yeah, we're gonna go to
Palantir,
Microsoft.
man.
Dog, now listen. Palantir might be ready.
Yeah,
No,
bro.
no, it's not. It's not. It's not. Not from a monthly standpoint, it's not.
What I told y'all Palantir was coming to the
You
first
said
time.
that. Every time I look at the chart, I think of you. I be like, man, this nigga Winston said that shit going back to fucking $80 or something.
Ooh, 80. I don't
Hold
think
it
it would
up.
80.
Hey, bro, let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna tell y'all this. I'm gonna tell y'all. This is the foreshadow, bro. I won't bring this up. You heard me? Affirm,
Mm,
all right?
mm. Damn, boy, niggas pulling out knives today,
Hey,
huh?
Mike, Netflix. You
Mm,
have been calling $70? That bitch is
mm-hmm.
dumb.
Mm. Affirm. What you said Affirm was going back to $20,
Now,
$40?
yeah, that bit had ran too, dog. That was like a
I was trading Affirm, boy. I was trading that joint.
and the crazy part is I just really be like
What's up, buddy? What's up?
it'd be like dark humor almost.
Because you don't believe it's gonna happen. You
Ah
like you
shit.
think it's gonna happen, but then when it happens, like I told y'all niggas. Huh? You want the headphones? You want my
I
headphones?
like baiting. That's how I be saying that shit
Okay, let's go
last
get the
night.
headphones.
I'm not about to sit through no trade for it to go down there. And that bitch end up going.
But you'll need a setup to take. Like so Palantir. Hold up, bro. Hold up.
That Palantir, this candle need to turn into a gap, y'all. And then you could trade it down. But when y'all look at this chart, say this candle create a gap, there's no more gaps until you get down to like that $100. You heard me? You really ain't got no swing lows until fucking what the like 60. And that's where the gap at on the monthly. So very interesting. Now this candle that closed is so close to that wick. I don't think I would call it a break, but that's when you'd be like, all right, create a gap to the downside. Then you'll take your entry will be that gap. So it'll be like this 146. We could get a gap, or however big it is.
You'll let it trade back into the gap that it's gonna make on the weekly.
Yeah,
If it make one.
if it make one, because it could just go back up from here. This is like the bottom of consolidation too. So if somebody wanted to buy right here, I wouldn't be mad at them for wanting to buy right there.
All right, my bad. Um, so so for Palantir for me to sell that joint, I would need like see how we took out this swing low right here. I would need for this to become a fair value gap until we trade back into that fair value gap. And then I'll be like, ooh, Palantir in trouble. Because then you got your change in the state of delivery right here, close beneath that. And this becomes a fair value gap. You could say, well, then you could call it change in the state of delivery, or you could call it an order block, whatever you want to call it. But then you create your fair value gap and we trade back into that fair value gap and reject. Palantir could really fall. But it's like you need a setup to, you know what I'm saying? Like I can't just be like, all right, I'm about to sell Palantir. And without no, just like trading futures, you know what I'm saying? The market might move without you giving you no setup. Then you can't, what you gonna just press the button? You can't do that, bro. That's bad habits. I'm just speaking from experience.
That was sad, Mike. Like, um, looking at that, even where it stopped at now, this would be it's all pending because this could be the spot to buy. It looked like the bottom of consolidation.
It is.
Right. So next week you go watch out. It might be a sweep to redeliver back to the upside.
It could be, yes,
So
definitely
you'll
could
want
be.
a good displacement next week below that.
I,
Then
I
the week
want,
after that, let it trade back into that gap.
yeah.
Yes.
I want this candle that we printed last week to be my gap candle.
Right.
That's
And really
it.
the whole candle. I don't want the whole thing. Because it might make a gap and it's only like $2.
Yeah,
Say
that's what
we
I'm
trade
saying.
up, yeah, we trade up
Like,
some and it's
stay
at
beneath this. Like, create a gap candle, like a consolidation candle or something like that. Something that look like this or like this. and then trade back into the gap, bombs away. But it's definitely still a consolidation though.
And what would be your target? I want to see if I was saying it right when you hopped off. What would be your target if it do make a gap? What would be a downside target?
Probably 105.
Okay, yeah.
So
Probably
that's a
105.
high, got a swing low, and that's a high probability gap. It might
Yep.
redeliver out that gap.
Yep.
I'll
Yep.
do a little studying
105.
sometimes.
Yeah, bro. Yep. Because once we get to 105, it could find support here. But even if it don't, that ain't my prerogative, nigga. I got 50 points. Well, trading back into this gap. Yeah, I got about $50 off this trade. I ain't tripping. $50 in my direction and then move fast. I mean, I made a lot of money off this.
Then we get
You know
our
what I'm saying?
gurus. I told y'all. I told you guys Palantir the problem.
Yeah, bro. I don't say, bro.
What's our entry?
We don't have
We
an
don't
entry
have
yet.
one yet.
Okay.
Somebody had sent me some on Instagram, dog. About some
Say now. Oh, now.
oh,
Yo,
Listen to me carefully. I need you to do me one favor this Sunday. They ain't got the Super Bowl this Sunday, huh?
no, next
I
week.
want you to send rage bait how you be sending the bet slips. I need this nigga out. I need him out of my DMs, bro. Mike be
who
sending me
me?
all kind of crazy shit. Mike got my IG
Dog,
fucked.
my
Say,
algorithm.
That
No, bro.
fucking Men in Black, them dudes.
Dog, my algorithm messed up, bro. So I was like, man, I gotta share this with somebody. But look, bro, to check this out. Somebody had sent me something on Instagram. About one of our counterparts talking about what they would buy in the market, whatever. And they sent it to me. And it was like, would you do this? I was like, no. And it was like, but why he posting this? I said because the nigga, post like how influencers just post stuff for engagement, like they just be posting because they gotta stay relevant and stay in the algorithm. I was like, the people who post stuff about the stock market, they do the same thing. Because sometimes if you listen to what they're saying, it don't make sense. But if you're uninitiated, if you don't know, if you don't know nothing about the market, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, that sounds good. But if you've been in the market for a while, be like, man, tell that nigga shut the. But that's just me, dog. I have niggas send me that. I was like, nah, dog, chill,
This,
chill, bro,
this, this
chill.
is the
Don't do
part though,
that.
Mike. If it goes below those numbers, you hear me? Then they're gonna be like, well, if you buy a hold for 5 years, then it still shouldn't be a problem. It went lower, so you should be able to buy more. If you liked it at this price,
Wait, so hey
then you
now,
love it at this price.
if
I'm listening.
hey, can
It'll
you tell me
never be
what
wrong,
numbers?
bro.
Tell me them numbers. Your boy said again about Google. He said 284, something like that.
But don't make me lie to you.
What he said, bro? Because I don't have my phone. My son got my phone.
Wait, what person?
Oh, we talking about Ian right now, but I was talking about somebody else before.
I don't know. We said
Oh,
so
the stuff
much.
you send it to the chat. You send it to the chat. You say you.
What's one of your rage beats?
Yeah, that nigga be dog. I be on blackmail sometimes, dog. When Ian said something, buy Google here, buy Palantir here.
Oh, I gotta look at it.
Oh,
Is in
I'm about to pull it up.
I don't read that what that nigga be saying. I just send that to y'all to fuck with y'all.
Good
All
job.
right. Yeah. Yeah.
285, 285.46.
285.46. All right. $285. All right, 285.48. Okay. This is what Ian said buy Google for now. I'm being petty right now, bro. Don't mind me. Okay. This is a 3 month chart. Let me go to the 6 month. All right, 6 month. All right, bro. This kind of productive, bro. My bad. Let's go to another stop. Oh, my bad, y'all. Because when he said that, I was looking for it yesterday when I was charting. I was like, what is it? What is 20? What is it? I went to the 3 month, the 4 month, the 6 month, the 27 minute. I went to all of that and I ain't find them. All right. All right, bro. Let's get back to business though, for real, for real. All right, Apple traded back into this gap. It's probably not coming back. Close the month like that. It could come back and retest it and continue higher. But this is a monthly candle. It's month closed Friday. So this look good for Apple. This look good for Apple, bro. I know we don't, talking about Apple is taboo, but I was like, when I saw this, I sent it to the group. I was like, I like how this look coming back to this gap. I was like, this gap should support price and take it back to 300, 288, whatever that, yeah, 288. Let me go to the weekly. You see exactly how this look. Oh yeah, yeah, I like it. I like it. Let me see. Yeah, I like it. I like it. You had the little volume balance right here. Close above that. So even if we trade lower, this volume balance should support price. So this should be your support zone or what they call it, supply. This should be your supply zone right here. Because this inversion was a market imbalance and inefficiency. We closed above it. So now I'm gonna treat it as a gap, like an inversion. It should support price 255, 253. That should support price for continuation to the upside. Reason why I'm looking at this gap, right? Now, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. What's this high? 260. Oh man. Close right at the high. I'm still thinking we could trade through this gap though. Because these swell liquidity, you got your reversal, this your gap. But it closed right at the gap. So to me, that's manipulation because when you wanna trade a reversal, you want your gap to close beneath the high, like convincingly. And it closed right at it, like a couple of cents off. It closed right at it. So yeah, that's kind of, yeah, I don't like that. It's kind of a manipulation tactic, if you ask me. But outside of that, I believe that Apple is probably going to continue to the upside. Or it could just consolidate between these two gaps. But I think we can trade through this gap, bro, honestly. What's the next one on the list?
Microsoft.
Oh yeah, my bad. Let's see Microsoft. Ooh wee. Microsoft could go now if you want to. You could really go. What you said, Winston? You said for 390. You said 390, the gap fill.
That's the gap fill. So
Hmm.
where it closed in on a weekly, if you go to the monthly, is inside the gap.
It's inside the gap.
Yeah, but I was telling see that gap's a little bit bigger.
Okay.
Um I was telling Ben it can bounce because I feel like all those candles consolidating over there. If you go
Support.
across, yeah, that's like support. And this is the first time we entered the bigger gap with that candle up there. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, not that one. The one, yeah, this gap. Yeah, the one that starts up
Hmm.
and goes down. I'm
Yeah.
saying it'll close in there. Remember how me and you started discovering, even though it closed in the gap and is on a level, that level still could push it out to go to the upside. So that goes in line with that weekly. We would have to again, I feel like trade lower and create another gap if I wanted to take it to the downside. But right now, probably was a good time to buy because it held.
So
Or what you?
me and you have the same. We got the same perspective, but I view this a little different. Just a little bit, because this right here, this between this candle and this candle, that's a you got your volume imbalance.
Right.
So from April, we closed the trading of April 2025 here. It opened up here. We gapped up. So Microsoft must have had some news. Had to. Um, so there's no price. There's no price here. So Microsoft can't put price there. See, this wick, all you need is a little wick, put price there, and then now it has to clear the go to continue to the upside. You see what I'm
Okay.
saying? Like all the market got to do is make an inefficiency efficient. And sometimes when you have a price void or a liquidity void or a volume imbalance, whatever you want to call this, the market just has to come put price there. So now we have price there.
I got
So
a
now
question for you.
what's up?
So with that being the imbalance, is it candle A, B, and C? Is that not a gap? Or how would you
But
do that? So take that other one off. Take that square off right quick.
take this off
Yeah, or just scoot. You could just open it up, open it wide up, Mike, and go
right
to
here.
yeah. Is that not a gap? Or how would you how would you how
It's
would you price
definitely a
that?
gap.
A
This is a
gap with an
gap.
imbalance in it, huh? Okay.
Exactly. So you got to come put price there. So you looking at it, oh well, we close inside the gap. So the gap, we probably just trade back to the top of the gap and continue lower.
No.
Which is which
I was saying run because of where it stopped at. You get what I'm saying? And going
okay.
back, I mean, you don't have
Can you
you
can
got
you
that
just
look.
draw them out as two gaps, one as the monthly and one as the weekly? I think it'll give people a better idea what Winston's saying. I know it did for me because you could see them both. You hear me?
And then your
All
your
right.
orders like this 500, right? Where your blue line at? So that 5 to what, 515 or some shit?
What is that?
The gap down. Your gap down.
Right here?
See the blue line? Look at the blue line.
Right
And
here?
then yeah, that small gap they have right there. No, to
This
your right.
this
To your right. To your right. The
all
gap
right
down.
here.
Yeah. I was saying that to me, I think we could at least get up there, if
Well,
not to the all-time
yeah,
high
yeah,
from right where we at, unless it just
yeah,
decides to keep on selling.
yeah. I got you. So look what I did. I put a fib on this joint, on this gap from here to the bottom of this, right? I put a fib on it. So
50%.
50%.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm-mm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we'll see. I think I really think this is a good opportunity to buy Microsoft. Not share. Well, if you got money like that, you can buy you some shares. Do what you do. I ain't no pocket watcher, but buying, buy you some calls, whatever. Good opportunity, I believe, to take some of this stuff off. Ben, you still need me to draw the two separate gaps.
No, I would just say I got it on my chart already. You hear me? I was
Right.
just saying it made it more clearer because it was like we fell in between the gap on the
Mm-hmm.
monthly. I mean, we on top of the weekly and in the monthly. I think that was just trying to clear what Winston was saying. I was saying it'll give everybody a better visual of what he was
Mm-hmm.
trying to explain. But I don't need you to do it for me.
All
I
right,
got it
cool,
drawn
cool.
out on my gap. I mean on my chart.
All right.
So like I said, level, order, whatever we're gonna call it, that's like the top of that consolidation that it ended on. So definitely I feel like we saying the same thing, Mike,
Yeah.
Yeah,
because it
because I know from last zone we had it at 430. was a good buying opportunity for Microsoft. So I mean, it came down to 421.
Yeah. 420, yeah, this is I like it. I like it. I like it. So this should support price now. Here's the beautiful thing about this. If it doesn't, if let's just say for instance we trade through this gap, close beneath it, continue to the downside. I don't we. But if that does happen, I think 300 and three, I think this area is something that we used to talk about with Microsoft, like 300, that 305 area,
It was like
310 area, something
320,
like that.
300, 320.
So yeah,
Back when people
them numbers sound
to the
familiar with
Zoom.
Microsoft. Yeah, but if we continue lower, this candle, just like for instance, just like Winston mentioned last week, the gap fill being 390.
No, 41 FM.
All right, we good to go.
My bad. Just Winston saying 390 was a gap fill and it could trade down there. That's absolutely correct. And you got this down close candle right here. That's your order block. So even if it does trade down here, this order block should support price and get your continuation to the upside. Now I'm just giving y'all different scenarios of how price can, you know. So if let's just say we open up next week, trade here, hit 450, then come back into this gap. All right, cool. Now you should be looking for this gap to fill now. You know what I'm saying? Like you should be looking for this gap to fill. This order block should support price. And that should take us back to the aforementioned gap that Winston talking about on a monthly. But I'm thinking we coming to the all-time highs, bro. These relative equal highs up here. I like it. But that's just me. That's just me. But all in all, I do still believe we got bullishness. Bullishness on the way.
Yeah, that was
That's
the
the
entry
that's it.
for sure. You don't get no candle below that, you heard me? You probably
So
missed out. Or you're gonna have to pay higher for it. I'll put it like that.
but it's yeah, this is good. This look good. This look good, in my opinion. Especially from a money perspective. Just come put price in this volume and balance. What's the next one, man? How do you? We looked
Exit
at Palantir, we looked at Google.
some point with imbalances, and some point you have to create price.
What's the next one?
NVIDIA ain't really give us nothing different, but we can still pull it up.
All right. NVIDIA. They got earnings coming up, huh?
Yeah, at some point
Consolidation.
in February.
They consolidating. Let's go to the weekly and see. Yeah. And that's a good old fashioned consolidation. There's nothing to see here, folks.
Yeah.
Is that not ambiguous?
That's not
Look at the daily. Ugh. Gross.
ambiguous.
That is nasty.
When that bitch pop, it go pop. That bitch been in that area for a long time, bro. I gave up with NVIDIA.
That's what she wants you to do.
Gotta stand the test of times now.
That's
Yeah,
what
I
she wants you
gave
to
up.
do now.
You
That's what she
gotta
wants you to do.
have faith in
She wants you to
me.
give up on her.
All we'll need is that nasty drop down to 140 something, and that'll be your manipulation, baby. It's time to go.
Mhm.
Just like
That's
I
it.
gave up on SoFi. Gave up on that.
So far, getting close to the mark, man. What you mean you
So if I
gave
get
up?
close to $20, bro, $20.
Yeah, we had
I
$22,
know.
bro.
I
Get
know.
that 20, 22.
We almost
20,
at
get
low
that
to
20.
bump prices.
Hey, don't give up, dog. She wants you to give up.
Yeah, if
Then the
she
next
hit our
person that's
mark,
gonna
I'm gonna
come,
give me some.
the next person gonna come, quarter, and she gonna give up everything. For all the work you put in there. All the work you put in.
So what
And you
y'all
gonna give up
got?
on her, and somebody else is gonna come and reap the benefits of the work that you put in. That daily look nasty. The weekly look crazy too. It's consolidation. It's been consolidating since July. It's been consolidating since July. Really? Really? Yeah, July. It's been consolidating. So, yeah. Outside of that, bro, that's nothing to talk about on the video. Come down here to this gap. What this is 152, between 152 and 142. That'll be a nice little manipulation leg. Boom, catch a bid to the upside. That's it. I think, let me tell you, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you, dog. If Nvidia come down here and supports this and finds support here in this gap, I don't think Nvidia ever coming back. This might be a once in a lifetime joint right here. Cause you know how the market feel about Nvidia. How I used to feel about Apple back in the day. This is it, bro. Like if it come here, if you get your manipulation here, that's it. Forget about it. Out of here. Out of here. Gone. But we gotta hope that she's kind enough to come here and greet us
And allow
and
some
allow
folks
us
like
to
us to partake, huh?
to benefit or
Yeah.
take in the once in a lifetime lunar eclipse.
I'm at the bus stop. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
Nigga said, nigga said, I got my shoes tied, double knot. I'm ready. But yeah, I think that'll be a beautiful entry for the video. Cause people gonna like they just they're gonna be in shock. How is in the video 150? They ain't gonna believe it. Yeah, come on, let me show you. Pop. And it's gonna go 200, 250, 300. Out of here. It's probably gonna go one of them historic runs. But whenever the earnings is their earnings like the first
All
week
right, bro.
of?
Be careful on that road.
No,
Thanks.
I think it's like in the middle toward the end of February, if I'm not mistaken.
Man, I hope they pull back right before earnings. If they do that right before earnings, you know what's up.
But I'm gonna tell you, dog, they typically pull back after earnings, bro. They have a good earnings, and then the stock falls, bro. At least since I've been like making plays on it, trading it.
Okay. All
That's
right.
normally its behavior, you hear me?
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna trust that because I just chart her. I don't really trade her. So you familiar with her. So we'll see though. But the video been really the talk of the town on the stock market the last year, a year and a half, 2 years maybe. It's been the talk of the town. So if they have good earnings, hopefully, just from a technical standpoint, hopefully they can pull back before earnings, and that way you could get in your position, and then you just ride off into the sunset, man. Um, any other stocks that I missed that we didn't talk about that we
B
want to talk about? Any other stocks that y'all want to
BKR,
look at? BKR.
Big Hughes.
This the month closed. Let's see let's see what we got in this candle, this monthly candle. Got a volume balance. Got a gap right here. Let's see, what's the all-time high on this joint? Took out a high. Could pull back. Pop up. $70, huh? Was it 70?
And what you had told me Wednesday might come back and fill that gap around 52, 53, and before it continue up, possibly.
So, Mike Charters. Can you open it further? 52. Wait, Phil, what gap, man?
It created a gap with how it closed on Friday, right?
Yes.
So we
And
got a
bam.
gap in between 52 and whatever the bottom of that wick is. Yeah, right there, 54. Or you think it'll come back down to that other gap? which is
No,
right
no, no,
on
no.
top of
So,
that
Mike, if you
consolidation.
go over, you can squeeze your chart. Yeah. So I was there. Hold on. Let me go to mine, bro. Y'all shit look different, bro.
I sold out of this position and the SLB and the Halliburton and profit Friday and got into Microsoft.
So
But
either
I
like,
would
Ooh.
like to get back into BKR if it pulled back. Since I brought it up to the group about 3 weeks ago, I got in. That bitch been running the whole 3 weeks, Sherry. But it started to fizzle out a little bit last week. So I just took my profit and like I said, rolled it into
Mike,
Microsoft until they
you on
gave
a
out.
monthly, Mike?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Just that
But I,
weekly gap that I got right here.
Yeah, what a monthly gap.
Ain't no money gap.
Yeah, see, that's
Down here?
so I got a monthly gap, and the shit is at 53.
Ain't no money gap, bro.
I don't know what that's about. I mean, we try to go
At
through it.
53?
Yeah.
Ain't
Hold
no
on.
money gap.
Hold on.
I thought you were saying that depending on how it closed on Friday
Yeah. Hold
for
on.
it
Yeah.
to create
So
that
look,
gap.
I'm looking at this. So just looking to the left, they got this volume balance from 2008. That's crazy. This volume balance from 2008 that it rejected in 2011 right here. Then this our first time trading back to it.
What happened?
See that?
Mike, look at
Kind
mine
of
right
Wait,
quick.
hold up. Your screen gone, Mike.
my screen gone.
Yeah, can you see
Yeah.
mine?
I can see.
Look
Yeah, I
at
Oh,
can
all
mine,
see
Mike.
it.
right.
That's what I have on my monthly. So I was saying trade back to the top of this gap. This would end up being like an order block, right?
Yeah. Okay.
But it shows different on yours, but I think you still got these two candles. So yeah,
Yeah, I got
you
that
could
auto block.
basically not create a gap, but that was what I was saying would be my entry to go up to the number we called, what, 70, how much?
Yeah. The all-time high. Yeah.
And what's the top of that auto block? 51 or is it 52?
So out anywhere down there, Ben. I ain't lying. I mean, you talking about a dial off.
What's the
So you trying to get back in. Any retracement back here, obviously I know you want the lowest, but 52,
I'm
53.
trying to hold on. Let me look at this.
Yeah, this account they chart kind of messed up, bro. Depending on
It look
what you
kind of
looking
different.
at it on, it shows differently, man.
Yeah, because that Winston, that chart don't look like my monthly chart and your monthly chart look totally different. And the
Right,
trade idea that you have on your monthly chart is legit. The trade, there ain't no monthly gap on mine because we been inverted that gap. We
right.
inverted that monthly gap. I'm looking at it way back in 2011 on mine.
And I
So
think
mine just look a little
and see
different.
when you
That's
go on
why,
your
yeah,
when you go on your phone, Mike, when you go on your phone, and I told Ben to look at this. If you go on your phone, stock to the little stock app, and you looking at your mountains, you're gonna see that in July they had a massive sell off. The mountain just gonna is gonna drop just like this, you hear me? So I don't know why these
in
two
July of what year?
2017.
Okay.
So like go on your phone and hit that stocks app and pull this one up. You're gonna see that it had like a straight drop. I don't think y'all's look like that. I think it just like bled out. But
Yeah, mine don't. Yeah, it's two different charts, bro. I'm gonna look at it on my phone though.
you can pull yours back up.
Yeah,
I was just
you
But
got it.
nevertheless, are y'all drawing the same conclusion, even
around that.
though it's
Where would you buy in
look a
that?
little bit different?
They say
The auto
y'all
block.
psychopath to chart on now. Can we give him a can we give him a
This man, he a troll, dog.
here go the funny part, Mike. He been trading on TOS for 5 years.
Who that?
Y'all know TOS hard, man. I'll be like, bro, what the fuck? I gotta go back to Trading View.
Oh, bro. Y'all stay away from them .coms, dog. This is a secure website. All .coms are different, bro.
Just download the app.
That's propaganda still. They don't have a thinkorswim.com. You know how you take your coins off and put it. This is a cold wallet we have right here.
Well, y'all gotta give me a tutorial how to trade on Thinkorswim, bro. Like, what's
I wouldn't trade.
like,
No. I would not trade.
I mean, no, not trade. Short. You know what I mean.
Right.
I had to go to YouTube and search how to put in the strat and all. And I'm like, what the fuck you gotta do all this?
I don't know, bro. That shit is crazy.
Hey, the memory stock's been running.
The who?
Memory, like
Big
what's
time?
that? Scan? No, memory, like SanDisk, MU. What's the other one? Man, them bitches been going crazy. Why
So
is
look,
that?
I don't know, but last week my mama texted me and she was like, "What you think about this stock called UBS?" And I was like, "I don't know what that is." I said, "I'm gonna look at it." Then I looked at it and I was like, "Oh, this could be a good trade." But my mama not a trader; she just want to buy shares.
Right.
So this candle closed Friday.
Yeah.
Right. So this is what I'm looking at, my guys. This is what I'm looking at. This gap. Trading back into this gap, taking it all the way back to the all-time highs. Really that simple. I'm not about to break it down. I'm not just taking it to the all-time highs, getting through this volume imbalance right here with that $53, taking it all the way back to what's this high?
68.
68. That's it. I think that's a smooth criminal.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's a bank. This is a bank stock.
He as a boy.
Shout out to moms.
Yeah, she was like, "What you think about this?" I was like, "Man, I don't even know what that is." But it's a bank stock. So I think she said, yeah, I think she said she was gonna buy some shares, or she already have shares. I don't remember exactly what she said. But yeah, I think so. When I look at the chart, I was like, yeah, trading back into this gap will be the continuation to the upside because this is bullish price action. This is nice. This is this is Monday chart. It look good. I'm not gonna overthink it.
So we add that to the list of a silent killer to take.
Yeah, I like it to trade back into this gap this month.
Okay.
And being that this month closed, like let me start look on the weekly.
And what we thinking? The top of that red candle.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, huh?
Go ahead.
Huh? No, for just
just to let y'all know, they only have monthly contracts.
Even better. Discipline.
It's cheap too.
How the spreads discipline. Yeah, the way they move, you're gonna need time anyway.
I'm just saying, bro. This, it was brought to my attention. I thought I would share it with the fellas. Either, you want it, you don't. You don't like it, don't like it. If you like it, you like it. You know what I'm saying?
The August $55 contract right now is 130. So the buy, the ask and the sell on is real tight. 140 for the buy, 130 for the sell.
Oh, all right, that ain't bad. That's why I think I messed up in that goddamn Netflix when I took that put. The spread was too wide.
Sucky now.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, that ain't bad. That's a
Yes,
nice.
and ooh, Netflix in trouble, boy.
Oh, fuck Netflix.
Winston, look at this chart, bro. Look at this
Yeah,
monthly chart. Netflix in
Netflix.
trouble. Netflix
What
in
you see
trouble.
on Netflix?
It's in
Somebody
trouble.
said something about Netflix?
Fuck, fuck
Huh?
Netflix.
Look at this chart, Winston. Look at this chart,
Hold
bro.
on, man. Hold up.
Look at this chart, bro.
Uh,
Akeem, look at this chart, bro. Check this
Hold
out,
up,
dog.
bruh.
Look at
Hold
this
up.
chart, bro. Look at this.
How
This
long they
screaming
had us
danger.
waiting? How long they had a nigga waiting for this, man? Huh?
Nigga said, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a stock split before we do it. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, how long y'all had a nigga waiting for this, man? I
Bro,
think
look,
what
we
I
had
said,
it.
70?
Look, Winston, we had it coming here to his order block. Nigga said, I'm gonna spot
What is
your
the
order
month?
block and I'm
That's
gonna
the
close
monthly?
beneath it. This the monthly.
Yeah, that bitch didn't want to do it on that third month. We was at the top. Then go over. It
Listen,
was that red candle.
right here.
No, the one up top. Remember, I was saying it's the third month. It can sell all the way off and go down to 100.
Oh yeah.
Have been
Yeah.
pumping, man. It's
Yeah,
sold.
but look, we had it coming here. Remember? We had it coming to this order block.
Yeah.
Look, it traded through that, closed beneath it, closed beneath this. This last run to the upside, closed beneath that too. Netflix in trouble, though. Ooh. What Netflix going? $10.
I said 7. Then they said 10. I said 70, dog. I was saying 700.
$10.
I'm sorry. It was 700 at the time. Oh,
Netflix
Ben.
going to $10. I'm just playing. I'm
Say,
just
Ben.
playing.
Yo,
You know that boy D come back Monday.
yeah. You gonna throw it in his face?
I'm telling the dude at work, he was in some calls, you heard me? Before this play, I told him, you was selling, man. It's come back down to 70. That was ain't no way, man. Like, all right.
Look at that.
Now the question is, what happened when that bit hit 70?
If it go down there, it's gonna fill that gap for sure.
Yeah, it's probably gonna fill this gap and start consolidating. Like, if it start consolidating down here, prepare yourself for the return of the Jedi. But
I wanted that. Is
I'm
that
just
other red candle or order block, Mike?
let me go back to which one? This one?
The last red one. After that one. No. Go back to
Up here?
down at 70.
Down here?
Yeah.
Is this an order block? It is, but
I want
I don't
it.
think we didn't tag them back that thing already.
Give me
We didn't
more.
tag them back there.
All right.
But
I guess I gotta buy
I
it
think
in.
honestly though, let me see how this look on the weekly, bro. Because the weekly might give us a little bit more information. Yeah. Bop, 68. I don't know, dog. This don't look good though. This don't look good. This does not look good. And yeah. Yep. No, what y'all, hey. Now what you had? Some $80 puts?
Yeah.
You
Hey,
took a
you on
loss on
those
that
trades
trade?
too? Y'all been
I
on those?
was winning. Yeah, I took a loss.
Netflix got a podcast and shit on these channels now.
Yep.
Like they adding buku stuff to it. Heard me? I don't know what that means, but it's gonna be very interesting. When they
Well,
earnings is?
obviously.
When is they? What is their earnings?
Oh,
Internet is on. Hey, what do you mean?
Man, let's call it. Let's just do this, bro. My dog said $70. This is where it's coming back to. Boom. That's it. She'll find support there.
Aristotle said Netflix at $70 is a steal.
Yeah. Yeah, now. Yeah. Yeah.
What in the world?
That boy enough. I hope that was our last stock, dog. What else
See
we
what you
got,
did
man?
now? See what you did now?
Good job.
I was just playing.
I gotta send y'all this shit this nigga sending me on IG, bro.
What's the next stop?
That's all y'all got? Oh, y'all had another one. It was really cool.
What the hell just happened?
That nigga, he dipped out. Good job, now.
Well,
Was it something you said?
I guess. Hey, tell me this though.
What's up?
Now that we can trade Apple, Nvidia, and all that got Monday, Wednesday, and Friday expirations, you think that gonna have something to do with how it move?
Yeah, definitely.
But now the shit just spread out. But it could be for the good or bad, you hear me? It's just gonna bring more
volume into that bitch.
More volume into it, right?
Yeah. People who can't afford the Friday, they'll take their chance and go with Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Or you got the day traders that just only want to trade it for one day. You got people that do straddles, so they have one for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
I was thinking we should throw her one of our famous loud family surprise parties. If everyone agrees, I'll go tell her right now. Actually, I don't think Mom wants a party this year. Let's just keep it.
Y'all got anything else I want?
Lenny?
Oh, Nell, what was that?
Questions for you.
What was that copper stock you was talking about, bro?
You fuck.
You're shopping because
I'm about to say. You.
Dad and surprise party planning too.
Hey, make sure he leave the group chat, y'all.
So,
COPX.
Should go get some samples from downstairs.
COPX.
Yeah.
All right.
40 questions. Is it ever okay to wear jorts? Gosh, Lincoln. We need to go back to square one. Before we start.
They're still at a high, huh?
Sorry, guys. Must have been something I ate. Right, I forgot. Your cake chair just gave me an idea. Even if we're not throwing Mom a party, maybe we should make her think of a cake. You are Mary said. You're not ready for floral prince Lincoln.
Think we could come back to 74?
Well,
Yeah.
sorry, I couldn't go back.
I ain't talking to you, girl.
You see how gold and silver don't.
What?
Yeah, homie was talking.
So you think that was manipulation with the gold?
I think people just took profit.
You think the market gonna open up gap down tomorrow?
Oh, here.
I mean, if they gap down, then gold should go up.
Hey, put in
What you
this copper company SCCO.
SCCO.
What you mean if who gap down?
It was gold. Oh, that was copper. I'm
Southern
tripping.
Copper Corp.
This done if we have to keep starting over. If you want to jump down the stairs, just
Like the same chart though.
Yeah, them copper stocks shaking ass.
you know we're not having a party. Let's do it, decorate. Start day. Sure, keeping it low key. But you know what we could use? A great one. Maybe one with a camel in a spacesuit. That's also scratch and sniff. And that says happy
Even
birthday
though it's
from
so
your
long
11
from up here,
kids.
I'm still not buying right here. I need to come.
Come down to that 50% mark
Yeah, somewhere down
in
here.
that gap.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
probably gonna bounce it initially. Maybe a bounce from 170, go back to 188, and then fall and fill. All this shit.
Wow, man, what your sleeper stock is, Mom?
I ain't on nothing right now, bro.
What
I
your
ain't gonna lie
partner
to you.
said though? What was the stock your partner told you about? EJ?
Let me see. Let me see. Hold on.
I got you too now. I'm gonna take care of it right here.
Tech
What?
Create Group,
Oh, here we go.
TCGL.
TCGL.
Yeah.
In theory, if you were in TCGL, what would you be? What the fuck? What's this? I ain't gonna even give you this charge. Don't worry about it.
That nigga be finding random shit, bro.
Oh yeah, this is. Oh
You
no.
got in that play?
No, he just sent the shit to me.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
He was just showing me how the shit just ran all in one day.
That's what I be trying to figure
This a
out. Like, how
fucking
the
daily?
fuck?
This
It's
a
a
daily
weekly.
chart?
This is a weekly.
Oh,
Oh, now show the daily, Winston. That might be some fucking
Witchcraft, nigga.
That's
you know what I'm saying, man? How the fuck people be finding these stocks and how you know what I'm saying?
That's money laundering, bro.
Facts.
A stock go from $8 to damn near $200 in one day. That's money laundering, bro.
Facts, man. That was
$8 to $355 in 2 trading days.
man, no indeed.
This man's got a point, dude. Just stick to my jams for the entertainment.
Oh,
Don't like it. Nah, that's all we got, fellas.
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, we didn't look at SoFi, but we
We
kind of
did.
knew what our color was on SoFi. Oh, I missed it then.
We said 20. I think it was still 20.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't think the thesis changed on it. Still waiting on it to hit our number. We talked about it.
Hmm. All right. So you gentlemen have a great day. And stay
Peace
warm.
out. Go
All
talk to
right,
Mike.
fellas.
I got him, bro.
Apologize in the group chat now. We'll
Nah,
be back
no,
next Sunday.
no, don't do it. I appreciate you, bro. All right.
All right.